Welcome to Medathentic.
This is a demo of our Medathentic software. This is welcome and login screen. Here on dashboard you can find daily sale, near expiry or expired medicines, stock low medicines. Back up your inventory or manually from within the application or separate utility is provided for automatic backup and of backup whenever required, also restore utility provided. Add agency or distributor bills manually or automatic using CSV file. CVS file from any software can be configured for automatic stock upload. Here on return page you can adjust medicine returns from patients. Here on sale page new customer can be added or old patients can be selected for sale. Here you get detailed sale reports as per distributors or salesman or user with GST, total revenue and profit. Here you can modify bills as well. Demo though remote access is available. This is offline, multi-user and simple software with PDF bill generated with inbuilt mail and WhatsApp facility. Subscribe if you like the content.